do that. This is where the Barangay School is. We would like to thank all of you. I hope your stay in Nasugbu will be a pleasant one. You may not be staying too long, but I just hope you can stay longer for you to see the beautiful side of Nasugbu. Nasugbu is known for its tourism town. We're a premier tourism town, and we have development that we can compare to other places. And that is the pride of our town, Nasugbu. So once again, thank you so much. In behalf of our family, the Apasible family, my husband was the former mayor here. He was the mayor of Nasugbu for 13 years. I was a mayor before for 12 years. My son became a mayor here for 6 years. And my husband was the former congressman of this district. And my brother-in-law, who was also the congressman of this district, and a former custom commissioner and governor of BDP. And my father-in-law was a congressman here in this district for 16 years. He was undefeated and he died in office. So, with our family, we are so concerned with education. And for us, education is very vital to any municipality, any province, and the whole Philippines for that matter. So, your coming here is a very big blessing. And you were welcome with showers, right? It was showering when you arrived. That's a sign of blessing and more blessing for our town. Thank you so much and welcome.